Lovelies, it's Yusi, and in today's recipe, we are going to be making weight gain smoothie. To get started, I'm going to be briefing us the nutritional content of each as we go. So we are going to start with the almond seeds. Almond is a calorie-dense food. 1 ounce provides us with about 165 calories. And to that, we will be adding banana. Banana is an excellent source of carbohydrates and calories. 1 medium-sized banana contains about 105 calories and 25 grams of carbohydrates. Then we will go in with our groundnuts. Peanuts are extremely high in calories. There are around 166 calories present in just a handful of serving of dry roasted peanuts. Of course, I cannot forget the chia seed. Chia seed is not exactly for weight gain, but it is good for the body. Another thing to add is oats. Oats contains about 11% of the carbs in fiber, while 85% is starch. And finally, date. Date is a dried fruit which is packed with fiber, vitamins and minerals. A serving of dried fruit holds more sugar and calories than an equal amount of fresh fruit. This smoothie is for those who are struggling to gain weight. Hope you enjoyed the video, and please don't forget to subscribe and give me a big thumbs up until I come your way next week. Until then, stay blessed. Bye.